Again, start. Okay.
Should I start? First of all, we congratulate you for getting your one international listener.
Thank you.
From all of you in Australia, for the staff and the management, we congratulate you.
Thank you.
We would like you to share your experiences with us. And we are just taking this testimonial in the residential for other clients which we would like to upload in our website. And we are asking a few questions with regard to the same. I would like you to answer it.
Sure.
And I would like to know, like, why did you choose us over others, other agencies or Mara agents?
Yeah, like initially we did review a lot about other consultancies and we approached a few other consultancies and somehow we felt like they are not properly communicating and also we reviewed and found that by our friends and some other people like they are not properly doing the process or some consultancies or agents, they are already blocklisted and not we initially approached we initially thought of going for New Zealand PR and we found that only Future in Australia is the one which is not blocklisted and which processes for New Zealand directly. So we approached Future in Australia and later with some reasons we thought of going for Australia PR.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, what were your experiences with our services now? Like, did you have any obstacle in your process, delayed in your process, or did you find any hardships in getting your PR? Was there any delay in our process, and how could you, how this was, you could able to get this PR visa? Were there any in documentation or anything did you have faced any problem
No,
at that time?
like over the entire process, from the agent side, they were in time and they were very helpful also. Like we from our side have delayed a few times, like due to our personal reasons. Apart from that, the agent was up to date and the communication was also well.
And what is the difference which you found between our agent or non-investment agent? Did you find any difference in that?
Like we didn't process through the non-Mara agents as of now, but as per the feedback from our friends who are consulting with the other consultancies or the other agents, we did find a lot of difference. Like it varies, depending on the communication and the proper information they couldn't provide and all.
Like how were our services like in the crossing where all our staff is supportive?
Yes, all are like very good and their approach is also good.
When did you apply when you got your visa?
We applied in December 2014. It's been almost 1.5 years, but throughout this, for maybe around 15 months or so, like more than 1+ years, we kept it on hold.
Okay. Would you like to share this? Would you like to recommend our services to other friends of yours?
Yeah, we did actually till now to lot of my cousins, one of my cousin and my own brother he did, and I also referred one of my friends also.
And also they got successfully PR also.
Yeah.
And do you expect any changes in our services? Did you ever feel that in our services is there any way we can improve more in our services, or did you find any backlog?
Not actually, but one thing I felt, but that's also only one time, like the process and all will be going well and you will be from your side communicating well with the case officer or the department, but sometimes with your workload or something, we as an applicant will have the eager and will have the tension to know about the status. So though it is under process, it will be good for every 2 or 3 weeks if you call the applicant and tell just it's still going on. If you just keep on updating like that, not frequently but once in a while, so it will be good and the applicant may also feel happy. This I felt only once, so I just thought of sharing that.
Yeah. When are you planning to leave now?
Probably next month.
Just want to thank you once again and
Thank
wish
you.
you a very good luck and happy journey and happy stay in Australia.
Thank